With nearly 55,000 followers, this Instagram account generated nearly 25K in 1 month. So stick around to know exactly how they have been able to monetize this account, along with the step-by-step guide on how to launch your own faceless Instagram account and achieve the same results. Step 1. We need to start an Instagram account. Choose a topic that interests you. Because if you choose a topic that you don't enjoy, then making content for your account will burn you out quickly and just want to quit. Making content around one of the big 5 is a good bet. Travel, wealth, fashion, beauty, and health. Step 2. Start making posts. But before that, we must understand some of the most recent changes made to the Instagram algorithm, as it no longer functions as it did just a few years ago. Instagram displayed the most recent posts made by the people you follow, but that is not how it works anymore. In fact, the majority of posts I see in my feed these days are not even from people I follow. And the reason for this is that Instagram is competing with other social media giants for your attention. They want to keep you on their app for longer times. In order to achieve this, they will display content that their algorithm predicts you will find appealing. And most importantly, watch for as long as possible to determine if you like it or not. Whether or not you like it is less important to the algorithm. It is much more interested in the duration of your viewing. If you have saved the post, shared it again on your story, or forward it to a friend. These are the key factors that can make a post viral. Step 3. Creating viral posts. First, we are going to use Canva to make some simple posts. Let's say your page is about fitness and health. We can make a post like this using Canva. Now, here is one thing you really need to focus on: getting people to look at your post instead of scrolling. So we need to make that first slide really bold. It needs to stand out and spark interest in what the upcoming slide will say. Creating some sort of emotional response is a simple way to get people to stop and look at your post. Maybe it's something they disagree with, or maybe something really fascinating. Let me show you how to write a good hook. Let's say you want to make a post about motivating people to go to the gym or lose weight. This is fairly a typical hook, but a good one would read something like, "This will make your audience curious and will scroll to the next slide." We can easily make such posts with the help of ChatGPT. Then simply copy and paste those points from ChatGPT into your Canva slides. I'm personally using this exact method to create my own faceless Instagram account from zero. I will keep you updated in the upcoming videos. Step 4. Creating viral reels. Reels have been heavily promoted by Instagram ever since it began to compete with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. This creates a sizable window of opportunity for new creators to profit from quick expansion and viral exposure. Take a look at some of these reels totally going crazy. This reel has over 90 million views, with 1 million followers from just 50 posts. Now imagine that. You could be that person in less than 2 months. Moreover, this account has over 85,000 followers despite having only 13 posts. Their content is simple AI-generated videos, some of which have received over 1 million views. So let's learn how we can do this super easily. Go back to ChatGPT and request for some simple motivational quotes and look for the one that catches your attention. Once you find the one you like, it's time to make a voiceover. You can use your own voice if you want, or use one of the text-to-speech AI voices. For this example, I'm going to use 11 Labs. The beauty of this AI tool is that you can clone your own voice or use the voice of one of your favorite celebrities. I will use one of their pre-made voices since it's going viral all over the internet. Just have a look how it sounds.
Have you ever wondered what it feels like to conquer not just the world, but yourself? It's not just about lifting weights. It's about lifting doubts, fears, and limitations. Challenge yourself every day.
To prevent people from becoming bored and swiping past it, we need to add images to our reel. Let's add a cool background that's related to the audio. For this, we are going to use free AI image generator. I have many videos on my channel where I have discussed in detail how to generate images using free AI tools. For this example, let's use Leonardo AI. Let's write the prompt and ask it to create a person standing on the edge of a breathtaking mountain peak. Once we have all of the photos, it's time to use auto captions since they keep viewers' attention. For this, we can just use the auto caption generator in CapCut. Simply import your audio and images into CapCut and then select Captions tab. After that, click Auto Captions. On the right-hand side, choose the style of your captions and you are good to go. Step 5. Start posting. It's a good practice to post twice a day. But you can post once or even 3 times a day, but just do your best to never skip a day because the Instagram algorithm favors consistency. You need to make a balance between posting so that your followers don't perceive you as inactive. And also don't post too much to burn them out. I would suggest is to focus on quality instead of quantity. Now, all of our hard work in the previous steps will be for nothing if we fail to find a way to make money from this. So let me tell you how that example account from the beginning of this video is making nearly $25,000 a month. This account only has 56,000 followers. And I have been following this account for a while because they have been able to monetize it really well. The account is in the real estate niche, and the lazy real estate agents are their target audience. They charge $54 per month to provide content to real estate agents who are too lazy to create their own social media posts. This monetization model is brilliant because real estate agents are infamous for being lazy. As of my last hearing, this business is dominating and earning over $25,000 per month. That's around $300,000 per year. Really crazy. I'm sharing this with you to demonstrate what's possible and to inspire some imagination on your part so you can figure out how to monetize your own account. However, I should point out that this is not an overnight success. This example account has been active for several years, and building a dedicated audience takes time and effort. There are several ways to monetize an Instagram account. For example, you can sell shoutouts. This works well on most theme pages, but is unlikely to generate much revenue in the long run. Let's go back to our fitness account example. You could start a dropshipping company and sell a fitness product with a link in your bio. Now here is a small tip. Don't post big in your face ads, because if you do so, Instagram algorithm will actually suppress your content. We all know how annoying social media ads can be. So finding creative ways to blend your product into useful content is a smart move. Step 6. Be patient and keep improving your content. This will not make you millionaire overnight, but if you are patient and constantly improve your content, your chances of going viral will increase. You will have a profitable online business within a few months. There are literally countless ways to monetize a following these days. That is why influencers like Logan Paul and Mr. Beast are on the verge of becoming billionaires. So that's it for today's video. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.